Hi, my name is Jacina and I am an acupuncturist. I've recently taken the Medichecks Well Woman Ultra Vit test. I'm 12 weeks pregnant and I just wanted to check that everything was in good standing basically. Wanted to check all my vitamin levels, all my blood cell levels, clotting. I just wanted to check that everything was really well. I'm nearly 42 and although I've had tests done, on the NHS, I just feel like I want to know everything and check that there's no anomalies that I should be concerned about. I'm feeling pretty good, so I just went ahead and did this blood test. I ordered it online. It was really straightforward and easy to do. And then I went into a clinic, a walk-in clinic in Wimpole Street, and had my blood taken. Last time I had my test done, my cholesterol was slightly high, but yeah, it's brilliant. This test checks for many different things, from anemia to having excess iron, a condition sometimes called hemochromatosis. It's called the Irish person's disease. I'm half Irish. Magnesium, so important for mental health. All these other hormones are more related to fertility, and as I'm pregnant, they're not really relevant for me, but obviously incredibly relevant for most women who are considering having a family at some point. Vitamin B12, so important. Vitamin D, which is obviously a hormone rather than a vitamin because you get it from the sun. Yeah, it's super easy. You can just check out. And below in this video, I have an affiliate link. I get a small commission. I'd be really grateful if you use the link. And also, there's a 10% discount if you use my intro code, which is JCoin10. All the details will be below, so you just put the promo code in here. It's a great company. They're so nice to deal with. Everything is very, very professional and super slick, very straightforward, very helpful, and very, very thorough. So when you submit your health form, you can also just explain anything that's going on if you have a health condition that you're aware of. So you do expect that you have something. I'm pregnant, so I expect certain of my results to not be normal for a person who isn't pregnant. It's lovely. You get there's a doctor who will interpret the results, which I think is really handy. Obviously, there's the fact side of it, but then there's a real human being who's going to look at it, understanding your age and sex and your stage of life, and give you some good insight, which I think is valuable because, well, we're all just trying to be the healthiest, best person we can be, and it helps to have a little professional advice. So yeah, you just submit it like that, super easy. It's just a little bit to show you that they have the same test for men. It's called the Well Man Ultra Vit check, and it tests for testosterone and fertility, so there's the male equivalent available from Medichecks as well. It's really good. Yeah, please do use my link and my discount code. Here I am at Wimpole Street in the W1, just about to go and have my blood test taken. It's really easy to get here. I just drove and parked by Regent's Park, avoiding the congestion charge, and it was just super quick, super easy, and I'll let you know how it all goes in just a few minutes. Hi there, so after a bit of confusion only on my behalf, I'm now at 10A, up on Wimpole Street. I've got my printed out piece of paper and I'm ready to go take my blood tests. I thought I was booked in at another clinic, and I called up Medichecks and they were so helpful and really polite and just told me where I'd actually booked, so here I am.
Okay.
Yeah, it was really good. So yeah, I just had my bloods taken. It was really, really quick, super efficient. It was a kind of open treatment room. There were other people, I think, having IVs, different things going on. It took about, maximum I'd say 5 minutes. I just had to sign some forms. They took my bloods and that's it, bingo, done. Really, really quick, super professional. Yeah, just gotta wait for the results now. So anyway, a few days after the blood test, you will get an email and it will send you a link to all your results. and you get a doctor who explains and analyzes it, looks at it, and tells you what's going on with the out of bounds results. As I'm pregnant, quite a few of the results don't seem to be within normal range, but everything's fine, which is great. My cholesterol's still a little bit high, but generally everything's really good, so I'm really happy about that. My family cholesterol is generally a bit high. My aunt has like a cholesterol rating of 8 or 9. She's in her 80s. It's probably just a family thing, and there's nothing much to do about it. It's just how it is with some people. Um, but yeah, all my vitamins are good. My minerals are good. Everything. My thyroid's working. Everything's cool. So I'm really pleased, and it's happy days. Um, it's a really thorough test. I really recommend it to anyone. It's good for anyone at whatever your stage of life, especially if you're trying to conceive. Just remember, when you're trying to conceive, it's not just the health of the woman, it's the man's health. So get your partner to go get the men's test as well. You can download the results, it's great. You can also check on it against your other results when you finally both get them. Again, please use my affiliate link and my discount code to get 10% off.